All right, so let's start pouring. And I'm not going to cover the whole thing. Okay. Go to the bats. Oh, did too much in that one. Alrighty. I should have sprayed this with alcohol, but it's okay. Spraying it with the alcohol helps the next layer adhere, and that means that it won't separate, which I did yesterday and it worked out. So I'm hoping the same result. All right, I'll be back microwaving this. And didn't I say I was going to put my gloves on? Ugh. Oh, some melting pour. Oh, sorry. So this one, oh yeah, I remember this one's giving me some hard times. All right, there go my. Let me mix it a little bit. My Santa red. So I love these little beakers. Perfect for pouring small amounts. And that's also another reason why I don't heat up so much at one time. If it was too much in this measuring cup, it would be, rushing out. It'll be harder for me to control the volume.